Samsung has officially announced the much-anticipated launch of the Galaxy S25 series on January 22, 2025 at their Unpacked event in San Jose, California. This year, Samsung is poised to bring new innovations, and the leaks surrounding the S25 series are already making waves. The leaks started rolling in with German publication WinFuture showcasing what appear to be official renders of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. These renders give a clearer idea of what to expect from Samsung's next-generation flagship smartphones. Experience the next evolution of Galaxy AI. Unlock a $50 Samsung credit, save up to $1,250, and enter to win $5,000 in Samsung credit. Reserve now by clicking the link in the description, filling out the details, and hitting reserve now. Don't miss this limited time offer. The Galaxy S25 Ultra in particular is drawing attention with a new, slightly curved design that differs from the boxier look of the S24 Ultra. The new flat sides enhance the appearance of its slim bezels and address the issue of thickness many criticized on its predecessor. The most intriguing detail is the addition of black rings around the camera lenses, seemingly inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Another notable change is the introduction of a new official Key 2 case with a magnetic alignment ring. However, contrary to earlier rumors, the S25 series will not feature built-in Q2 charging and will rely on compatible cases to enable this feature. The S25 series also brings aesthetic updates with a lighter icy blue color option, adding a fresh twist to the lineup. The S25 Ultra debuts in a sleek titanium silver blue, a more subdued shade compared to the icy blue of the other models. Samsung is offering significant pre-order incentives, including a $50 credit just for registering an email, trade-in credits of up to $900 for older devices, and instant savings that could total up to $1,250. Moreover, there's an opportunity to win a $5,000 gift card redeemable for any product on Samsung's online store, making these offers highly enticing for potential buyers. On the technology front, Samsung is teasing groundbreaking AI innovations with the Galaxy S25 series. Renowned leaker Ice Universe suggests that these advancements will surpass Apple's offerings. Integrated with One UI 7, Galaxy AI is expected to redefine the smartphone experience. Another highlight is a life-saving car crash detection sensor, similar to the one in Google Pixel devices, but with more powerful integration in Samsung's One UI 7.1, providing added peace of mind for users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra also brings design improvements with a titanium frame and Corning Gorilla Armor glass, making it thinner, lighter, and more ergonomic. Leaked images reveal ultra-thin bezels, while Q2 wireless charging support promises faster and more efficient wireless charging through a compatible case. In the camera department, the S25 Ultra features a quad-camera setup, including a 200MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and 2 zoom lenses, making it a strong contender for the best smartphone camera in 2025. Meanwhile, the S25 and S25 Plus models feature a new 50MP ultra-wide sensor and excellent low-light capabilities. Video recording enthusiasts can look forward to exceptional 4K capabilities and more customization options for creators. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 series is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring top-tier performance and efficiency. The S25 Ultra offers up to 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1TB storage option. With faster wireless charging speeds of up to 25 W, the S25 Ultra also retains its robust 5,000 mAh battery. As the January 22 launch date approaches, more leaks and details are expected to surface. Samsung is clearly setting the stage for a major leap forward in the smartphone market, offering sleek designs, cutting-edge AI capabilities, exceptional cameras, and top-notch performance. Whether you're a Samsung fan or looking for an upgrade, the Galaxy S25 series promises an exceptional mobile experience. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 series? Are you excited about the design changes, AI features, or improved camera specs? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to reserve your device to take advantage of the incredible pre-order incentives. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace out.